Compound Microscope. It consists of long cylindrical tube containing at one end a convex lens of small aperture and small focal length. This is called the objective lens O. At the other end of the tube, another coaxial smaller and wide tube is fitted, which carries a convex lens E at its outer end. This lens is towards the eye and is called the eyepiece. The focal length and aperture of eyepiece are somewhat larger than those of objective lens. Cross wires are mounted at a definite distance before the eyepiece. The entire tube can be moved forward and backward by the rack and pinion arrangement. Magnifying power of a compound microscope. M is equal to minus V0 upon U0 into D upon Fe plus D upon Ve. Signs here already have been put.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.